Hello everyone, Doja Explorer here with another video. My name's obviously Doja Explorer, Wolf Wolf. Welcome to this episode of basically installing Windows 7. Now this is going to be a part of a tutorial series which Doja Explorer is going to create, my channel at least. So before we start, I want to make sure that you got everything. Right now, this may vary and you can see there's a small display because, because this is a VM, as you can see. It's a VirtualBox, but I bet you can do this on your actual physical PC if you wanted to. And I highly recommend you don't install Windows 7 unless you turn off the internet connection or buy the extended life security updates or just a plain old antivirus like Norton. Norton's my favorite antivirus, although it clogs up a lot of CPU. So you obviously have to insert your ISO, which would be your CD or your CD-ROM if you want to call that. So let's click next, shall we? So obviously we don't need to prepare your computer, but you can if you're running multiple operating systems. See there's no operating systems that I have. You can load drivers, but I'm obviously not going to do that. I'm going to try and install Windows 7. Now, this is, I got a Windows 7 from archive.org. I might leave that ISO in the video description. It's actually a pretty darn good thing, really. Because I got a really good deal on this. Although I installed it. It was Windows 7 Ultimate, which was surprising because I thought they would only include Starter, not Ultimate. Ultimate's probably the best. While this is installing, Ultimate, it has BitLockers, encryption, and more extra features that are normally not on the starter, home, or home basic. As you can see, it's going a lot faster. This might vary depending on your CPU, which is your central core processing unit, and it just depends how much is your clock speed and how many cores are in your computer. Right now, my computer I think has 8 cores in it, or 7. Mine's an i7, so obviously it might have 7 cores. So while this is downloading, I better just explain why the heck I'm installing Windows 7. I'm installing Windows 7 today because it's nostalgic software that I feel like I would use on a daily. But obviously I like Windows 10 too. So it's installing right now. Shouldn't take more than a minute. And for this series, we will include a lot of features. I'm going to have a playlist. If you guys want to see it, check out my channel, Doja Explorer. Please share this video with the world, please. I very much appreciate it. So, in here, what my goal is for the channel is to give you guys Microsoft tutorials on how to do a specific operating system or a specific thing. I'm actually studying for a thing called MTA, Microsoft Technological Associate, and I'm going to try my best to help you with some of those exam key subjects if you guys follow my videos. Now, Tech Doggos is supposed to be a fun PG channel, and it will incorporate a lot of features that I hope you guys love, like me. I love technology too, and I hope you do as well. I'm happy to answer all your questions. Just tell me in the comments below. It may seem like I'm stalling time here. You can skip around for this video if you are almost done with installing Windows. Skip to the next. Finally, okay, it's reinstalling the video now. Not the video. Oh my goodness. Sorry, my bad, guys. My brain is trash right now at the moment. Since this is Doge Explorer, I'm going to put Doge Explorer, and for my PC name, I'm going to put meme DE because Doge Explorer stands for DE. Not going to do that yet. Actually, yeah, I'm going to do that, but so apparently I can't come back to that, so I'm going to try it later. Obviously, that home network. Now, if you run VM or VirtualBox, not VM, VirtualBox only because I'm an only VirtualBox geek, you're probably wondering I'm not running this on VM. Reason being why is I feel like it's a lot easier to just do it on VirtualBox, and it's kind of my preferred way of installing an operating system. Plus, in VirtualBox, it's free for everyone to use, and in VM, it's not free to use, but you might get more features. Hyper-V simulators, I mean, I'm sorry, virtual machines, duh. Hyper-V virtual machines, I think they're good and all because they're made by Microsoft, but I recommend just installing VM. So it's installing the drivers. It's going to take a second. If you guys run VirtualBox, what basically this means is that you're trying to make the screen literally be in full screen. That's why it's in this small box. So this is not an actual real life situation. Well, technically it is, depending on what you use, like a Windows Server 2012. If you're installing it on VirtualBox, not in physical or not real. Yeah, we have our operating system now. So I'm gonna create a path for this in the next episode. And Jesus, finally, I'm going to really quick change my picture to a dog. Aw, that's lovely. Okay. Now, obviously, no, we know that Microsoft scammed. Just kidding. Microsoft didn't scam anyone, but I just kind of dislike its browser, Google Explorer. You know what? If you guys are running, okay, if you guys see this thing, here's my recommendation. You can either diagnose the problem. I hate this browser because it will always display it because it's not updated. So if you're running Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8.1, and you get this pop up, it's because Microsoft's they're trying to backtrack you. They don't want you going to Google.com. However, they will take actual hyperlinks. So let's go to https://chrome.com, and obviously it's going to load up because it's a web address and not an actual search. So I'm going to make this my might show you how to disable Internet Explorer in the future. So I'm installing Chrome at the moment, taking a few seconds. There's our smiling doggo. Okay. Reason being why I'm installing Chrome and doing this really quick is I want to make a folder for my memes category. If you guys don't know how to do that, please go check out my other video. Link might be down below. We'll see. I'm sorry if I smelled calculator wrong. I'm supposed to be doing something else right now. So I'm kind of in a rush, believe it or not. 1 gigabyte, 1,000 megabytes. Jesus. I did not know it was that simple. Megabyte. I'm sorry, I'm just experimenting here. So 1,000 disk management. Trying to create a folder for my memes category, so. I want 1,000. Oh my goodness, my computer's slow today. Okay, well, 1,000 megabytes, that's horrible, but I guess that will do. I mean, this is only for memes anyways, so it's not like we're actually going to be doing a lot of stuff, so Doge memes. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, it's formatting. There, Doge memes. Let's open the Explorer. Everything seems to be good and nice and snuggly. So, I hope you guys like that. I'm going to do a full episode on everything in this operating system. Although it may seem old, it's a great nostalgic way. And I want to make this full disclaimer here. If you're studying for the operating system exam, MTA, I strongly recommend that you practice on either Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, since they're only covering for that subject. It's February 18th, 2020. If the timing of this video, if you're watching this on Windows 11, good luck, because I'm going to try and make a video on that. I love Windows so much. So yeah, please make sure to check that out. I'm going to have a series soon. Have a great day, guys.